Hey guys, Mike Murphy here, founder of Mountains of Hope, bringing your weekly wellness wire. So I just got back from my cardiologist and told me I have a serious heart condition, heart disease. Probably no cure, maybe some treatments, will bring my energy back. That's really what the symptoms were, lack of energy. And so that's what I want to talk about today. And what's funny, if you know me, you know that I have a lot of questions about Western medicine. Let's just leave it at that. And so the one guy wants to tell me that my heart condition is genetic. First of all, my parents, my grandparents, none of them had heart conditions. And I know what I've put my heart through for 65 years. I know the stress I've put it under. I know my lifestyle. So this heart might be 65 years physically old, but I've gotten 120 years use out of it. So I've left nothing here behind. So I'm totally at peace and fine with all of it, and take total responsibility for everything that's going on in my life right now. But this is the message I want for you guys. And this is, I wish I would have done a long time ago. I did it maybe 10, 11 years ago. And we're all going to do it at one point. And that's to take a very, very short journey, but it's the hardest journey we'll ever take. And it's only 18 inches long. And it's moving from here to here. Why do I think I have heart problems? It's because I lived here too much. What is here? Fear, criticism, judgment, insane asylum, committee of psychopaths, okay? And the truth is, when I don't live here, it now becomes a supercomputer. So the journey I had to take about 11, 12 years ago, and everybody's gonna take it, and my father, I think, just took it when he took his last breath not too long ago. And so we move from the head to the heart, and we start living from here. Why don't we wanna live here? Because this can get hurt. You really can't hurt this thing because it's got so many defenses and so much BS in it. I don't even know what it is, right? I know how to use it now because I live in my heart. So when you move from here to here, this is who you really are. See, my heart can't lie to you. My heart can't cheat you. My heart can't manipulate you. My heart doesn't want anything from you other than what's best for you. This thing here gets jealous, judgment, all that stuff, right? So now that I live here, I'm able to use this supercomputer to create plans to manifest what serves this, the higher self, right? So I'm just going to ask you to consider feeling into that, listening to my words and see how they resonate with you, see if they make any sense. And I know your heart's been broken a bunch of times. And I know ever since you've been born, people have tried to put you down. And so what happens is we contract, okay? And we lose a part, we quit responding to our soul, and we live here in the insane asylum. And when we go back and connect to our soul and our heart, we find peace and we find purpose. And then we can have much greater health. And more importantly, it's just a much better way to be and to feel. I think it was Descartes said, I think, therefore I am. And I say, no, I feel, therefore I am. But as a man growing up in America, and kid, we're taught not to feel. And that's so terrible. I want to feel my way through my life. I don't want to think my way through my life. I want to live here, use this, and create a life of love, gratitude, and contribution. I'll see you next week.